Bro, that trans soon go crazy. Oh, this is his house. Dogs theirs. Got to close the bay doors out here, boy.
Yeah, I'm sitting close. I was just letting him get everything situated.
Dog. Let me move that bats on. On me, it's a little chilly out there, man. Yeah. What's up, man?
What's up?
Told you it'll fit.
Yeah, so that's my dad. The only 2 clamps they sent you? Huh? The only clamps they sent you?
I think they stacked inside of each other.
After the one day.
Need to wash this thing, man. I know I can't talk. Mine dirty too. Huh? It's cold. Hunter will. Hunter will wash it. Hunter will wash it in the cold. Oh nah, it is dirty though. Look at this. Hey T. You still got that thing? Huh? I thought this already had an active exhaust. So you're gonna take the active exhaust all that come with it and put the dailer on?
Dailers are not. All you have to do is just connect it to the little things. You got plug and play. So
You ain't got no cutouts or anything out of that on there? Like cutouts on the back or anything like that?
You about to put the jacks on?
Yeah.
It should.
they got
Oh, no. I'm talking about the exhaust cutouts.
Oh.
The fucking actuators to open and close the exhaust.
I the Dailer thing, like the valve control, yeah,
Right.
I have it on that.
Okay. You got one of them?
Yeah. So, because the thing, because what he told me is he said there was no valve control come with it, so he said just hook it up to the Dailer, and he said it'll hook up on both sides.
Okay.
And he said just plug and play. That's really
Yeah, right. Okay.
So it should be really easy. The only thing I would have to do is go underneath real quick, just unplug it, and then that's really easy.
Yeah,
And then just come on.
Everything sounds easy to you.
I know,
Get
right?
to do it. For the dailer?
The actual exhaust, you stuffed the wire.
I was wiring in there.
You gotta take the wiring off that one and put it back.
I didn't know you had no wiring and shit. My phone was in the car. Huh? So that's what Quay said?
Yeah. I gotta feel it.
Boy, it's a little chilly out here, man. Oh. Oh.
Show the vlog what you eating. How about that? You always eating.
This is my first time eating today.
Bro,
Literally.
you're supposed to be on a weight journey.
I am. This is my this is my first meal of the day. I'm going to the gym today. You feel me? How bad they looking? No Diddy, watch out. Oh, you still got tread.
Oh, we're good.
Yeah, you good.
I keep telling need
You don't need tires until you ball. That's just how they get you. No, I'm just playing. Do not do that. I do that, but. You want some potato fries? See, I know you don't see. I told you, look, you don't even need the dailer because you already got active exhaust within your.
But we're gonna have to unplug this, and we're gonna have to plug it into that.
No, I get that. I'm talking about the dailer thing you talking about. Remember you said the dailer you got is to open and close your valves, right?
The only thing is that you gotta remember this one has that little OPF thing where it
missing what I'm
goes
saying.
halfway.
Look,
Only halfway opens.
your actuator is in here.
You're
So
saying
your
for the new exhaust.
no,
Right now.
if,
You're saying for this.
you can base if I don't know how. Let me see.
For this one, it has that little flap. If you look inside, it has a little flap. This one doesn't have that little flap. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, so all we doing is just swapping out.
Oh, so this one don't got the flap inside?
Yeah,
This one doesn't. That one has a flap.
Yeah, it has to. That because look, all you do is take this off
Yeah, you take that shit off
and
and
put it on there.
Gotcha.
So you don't need the
It's not
dailer.
even that bad. It's
Yeah, that's why I was telling you. You don't need the dailer because you already have active
You
exhaust.
think it's gonna be louder?
If you can open and close it now, right? Yeah. So yeah, you can be able to open and close it. Yeah.
It's gonna sound like Quays. Well, I don't know if depending on which one y'all got.
He got single.
Oh, the same one?
It's gonna be a little bit louder because Queen's got downpipe.
Oh, you don't got your downpipe?
I do have down.
Oh yeah, they're right. Yeah. Okay. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Suck it down, Chimney Lane.
I don't know why he takes it like that. I guess for custom.
Oh, I'm going back that way.
You going this one?
Yeah.
I can cut it. I have. You don't have your keys?
That's what I'm about to do. When in doubt.
I took my other key out.
That's that construction key right there, boy.
I know that's
Hey, get on that tractor trailer, boy.
Why you add so much tape, bro?
You just weak.
It's not coming.
It's just like a lady. You gotta make love to it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta make love to it.
You
bro.
make love.
Slow.
You make love to food.
Hey, man. Slow and steady, boy.
You make love to food.
Sure do. I ain't gonna lie, the only thing I don't like about the GoPro, bro, that I kind of found a way around is the battery and the overheating. Like the battery dies quick, and then it gets hot quick unless it's cold outside, and then the upload speed. But if you go on GoPro.com and do your account on the website versus the app, it's faster to download.
I'm trying to see how we build this.
But I still might get an Insta 360.
So he said these go. Only thing is this would be where it's by like hit some rocks or something.
Your car not that low.
So I'm straight.
Yeah.
Just get like.
Your car not that low in my car. I had to worry about hitting it in the road all day. But you know, it's a part of the BMW lifestyle.
Should be easy, man.
What you so worried for? Just breathe. This your first mod of your car. That's crazy.
What's that? The turbo?
How many times I canceled it?
3,000?
One time? Bro, it wasn't even my fault. I ordered it.
I'm a broke on the street.
Then they was like, it's gonna back order till February. And that was 3 months ago. I didn't feel that way. So I canceled and ordered a Pier 500, set it a Pier 750. I ain't gonna lie, if I got that Pier 750, I was gonna go crazy though.
I was looking at the video and saying, I was like, he got a 750, it was nice. But shit, it's still gonna be nice with that.
Yeah. I just like the fact it's plug and play. Like when I watch the video. Every video different. Some people do it taking the axle out without dropping the subframe. Some folks drop the subframe.
So the subframe probably can stay in there, but that racing thing is definitely gonna have to at least drop and move out of the way. You know what I'm saying? And then that water pump shit, I don't know if you ever changed your water pump.
Hell no.
Probably be a good idea to change it.
Well, the reason I ain't changed it yet, because BMW sent the recall out to all 2012 and up models. Basically, like if something happened with the water pump, they'll replace the whole thing.
That makes sense. Shit. But let them replace it.
Oh, that's some strong ass Sprite, boy. It's stronger than McDonald's.
That bitch hot.
My fault. I was kind of pushing it a little bit.
He just said it's hot. He just said it's hot. You gonna touch it? Stupid.
I told you them hoes hot. Back side of that jack out of the window. Walk out with the whole thing.
What we doing? But you know I'm short. We're gonna try it though.
Oh, you're gonna have to move that jack out of the way.
You just hold this off my chain. Is it going? Yeah.
It's going. You can move the whole thing out of the way.
Push it up.
Grab that jack out of the way.
KJ, watch out for the exhaust that's right behind it. This way.
Easy. Slowly. Ah, fuck.
That's not even bad.
I told you. Somebody got that old school going on.